Hey guys, welcome to a new video on Nail Possible. Today I will be showing you some products I've received to review from Born Pretty store that I was sent to since November. They took forever, but they're finally here. Let me get them out. And these are the products I received. First, we have a Christmas stamping plate. I thought it would make it in time for Christmas, but that did not happen. This plate is one of those little square ones. It comes with a bunch of snowflakes and some tiny stars. And the other things are these watercolor effect pens. These pens have 1 ml of product in them, and they are, I believe, 11 different colors plus 1 blending pen. In fact, I only asked for 2 colors, but they sent me the blending pen as well. In the box, you get some instructions on how to use these pens. Base coat the pens, wait 1 to 2 minutes, and then top coat. Over here it says to be careful with sensitive skin, don't leave it close to heat or children, and that's it. It didn't come with instructions on what to do when you get it out of the box, but those instructions are actually on the website on the product listing. And not only that, if you scroll down, 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 you will find these instructions with pictures as well. But since we have to do it anyway, let's just go ahead and do that. When you open the box, it came completely sealed. You will find 2 things. The first one is the pen. At the end, it has like a button. Don't press it yet. I did it on one of the pens for science before I put it together, and once you press it, there is no going back. But don't worry, the pen will still work and everything, but it's better if you don't press it yet. The pen comes completely dry because the ink comes separately. It's the other thing in the box. This is the blue cartridge. This is the purple, and this is the blender. What we have to do is unscrew the tip of the pen, place the cartridge like this, and put the pen back together. The ink won't start flowing until you press the button. If you already did, it's okay. It's more of a safety thing, I think, so it doesn't start coming out while you're still working. And even once you press the button, here I was kind of waiting for the ink to start flowing, but it turns out it also needs a little bit of gravity. So I just dipped it a little bit and the ink started flowing. And now the pen is ready to be used. Here's a quick swatch of the purple, and the blender is just clear. Okay, so it's time to test it on my nails. I wanted to use this white polish because it also has micro shimmer. I wanted to see if it's still noticeable or if it gets lost in the watercolor. I'm also going to add a quick dry top coat, not only because the polish has a bit of a gritty finish, but also because this happened when I tried it for the first time. So I had to remove everything and start all over again. So here we are testing the purple first. Sorry I went out of the frame here, but then I started adding the blue. And then I went back to the purple. Then I went in with the blender. When I was done, the tip of the blender was a bit stained, but it's fine. You can just wipe it off on a paper towel or something and it's ready for the next nail. Here I tried not to overlap the colors that much. just blend where the two colors meet. And here I started with the blue, and I noticed that it's a bit more sheer than the purple. You can definitely build it up, but the purple is more opaque without the need to build it up. So it's something to keep in mind because when you blend the two colors, the purple can overpower the blue. On the last one, I just tried to go for a bit of a gradient, so I didn't have to blend as much. And this was the result. And just to make it a full design, I just went ahead and used the plate. Even though it's a Christmas plate, the stars can be used anytime. I'm going to use my go-to gold for stamping, and we're gonna stamp some of these stars. Now I'm going to clean up. I was wondering about this. I didn't know if it was gonna stain my skin. You know, I'm kinda messy when I do these things, but it seems to be coming off. What I'm using here is just pure acetone to clean up, and it works really well. Too well, in fact, because as you can see here, I went a little bit over the design and I removed some of the color. We're going to add a top coat to seal the colors in. And this is the design. So how do you think it turned out? I think it's not that bad, but it's a bit muddy. I think I might have overused the colors, but it was the first time using these pens. You can create some really cool designs, and even though it's not a lot of product, the fact that it comes in a pen form helps with precision. If you want to try these pens, I think the blender is really worth it, because if they hadn't sent it to me, I would have ended up with a much worse design. And the plate, even though it's a Christmas plate and not in season right now, it actually worked out pretty well because these stars are perfect for galaxy themed designs. They are very dainty and very pretty. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget you can give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!